Good morning everyone. I am Dr.K.Anuradha, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of English, Sita Lakshmi Ramaswamy College, Tiruchirappalli. In this session, we are going to see Introduction to Linguistics.
Language and linguistics. Language is a system of communication, medium for thought, and vehicle for literary expression. All human beings speak at least one language, and no social or intellectual activity will take place without language. Linguistics is the branch of knowledge that deals with language. It is the scientific study of language and study of how language is organized and how it is used. Language is important in humans because only its possession distinguishes humans from other animals. To understand our humanity, one must understand the language that makes us human. Human beings become human because we all know at least one language. What does it mean to know a language? When you know a language, you can speak and you can be understood by others who know that language. This means you are able to produce sounds which signify certain meanings and to understand or interpret the sounds produced by them. This is applicable only to normal hearing individuals. Sound symbolism. The pronunciations of certain words suggest their meaning. A small group of words in the vocabulary of most languages is onomatopoeic. The sounds of the words imitate the sounds of nature. This is called sound symbolism in language. Example: hissing, whistle, zoom, buzz, cuckoo. Onomatopoeia means the formation of a word from a sound associated with its name. The unconscious knowledge of the speaker of a language about a system that enables them to create and understand novel utterances is called linguistic competence. The way in which the knowledge is used when the speakers are performing linguistically, or the way in which one uses this knowledge in actual behavior, is called linguistic performance. The word spoonerism was invented to describe a common type of error made famous by an eminent dean of Oxford University. When the revered Spooner said, "You have hissed my mystery lecture, you have tasted the whole worm," he was making performance errors when his tongue slipped. What constitutes the grammar of a language? The sounds used in a language. Number 2, the basic units of meaning, such as words and rules to combine these to form new sentences, constitute the grammar of a language. Descriptive grammar. An explicit description of the speaker's linguistic competence is called a descriptive grammar. It doesn't tell how one should speak. It just describes one's basic linguistic knowledge. It also explains how it is possible for one to speak and understand. It explains what one knows about the sounds, words, phrases, and sentences of one's language. Prescriptive grammar. Among grammarians from ancient times until the present, there have been purists who have believed that language change is corruption, and there are certain other forms which all educated people should use in speaking and writing. They wished to prescribe the rules of grammar rather than describe the rules. This is called prescriptive grammar. Universal grammar. The laws of a language and the laws which pertaining to all human languages representing the universal properties of language may be called universal grammar. According to Thrax, the Greek grammarian, grammar is that which permits one to either speak a language or speak about a language. Dear students, I hope this e-content on Introduction to Linguistics and Language is helpful to you in understanding the basics of linguistics. Thank you.